Hello, friends. Today, we're learning a brand new letter, the letter J. J says j, 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 like in jump. Let's write the letter J. At the top, go straight down, then curve to the left. For lowercase j, go down, curve to the left, and add a dot on top. Great job! J is for juice. Juice is sweet and yummy to drink. J is for jelly. Jelly is soft and wobbly. J is for jam. I like jam on my bread. J is for jump. I can jump high in the air. J is for jar. The cookies are in the jar. J is for jungle. A jungle has many trees and animals. J is for jewel. The box is full of shiny jewels. J is for jet. A jet can fly very fast in the sky. J is for jacket. I wear a jacket when it's cold. J is for jaguar. The jaguar runs fast in the jungle. J is for juice, jelly, jam, jump, jar, jungle, jewel, jet, jacket, jaguar. See you in the next letter. Bye! Don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe.